Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Loginaid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your consumer cellular account online. Firstly, to do so, you will have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, on the search box, search for consumercellular.com/login and then press enter. This will further take you to their home page. Before we begin, I would like to tell you more about Consumer Cellular. Consumer Cellular is a wireless telecommunications company based in the United States offering cellular service primarily to older adults and retirees. Overall, it has carved out a niche in the wireless market by offering straightforward, affordable plans tailored to the needs of older consumers, backed by reliable service and excellent customer support. Now here, if you do not have an account yet, you will require to have an account to log in. However, if you do, then you can see two text tabs right in front of you where you can enter your mobile number and your password to log in. In any case, if you forget your password as well, you can click on Forgot Password link right below the password text box. However, if you still don't have an account yet, you may register your account by clicking on the I am new register from an account in orange button below. Furthermore, you may also log in by clicking on the login button at the top right corner of your screen right beside the help option. You may click on the login button, which will open a small expansion where you will have to enter your phone number and then your password. Once you make sure you filled in both your details correctly, then you may click on the login button in orange. This is how you may easily log into your consumer cellular account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.